Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all for all the love and support that you've given to our previous videos. With this video, we are starting with a new series for speaking module. Here, we'll be covering our recent topics that we had in speaking. These topics were reported by our students at English 3 in January this year. In these videos, we'll be covering 4 things. 1. A new topic. 2. Possible options that you can choose to speak in this topic. 3. Where you can use this content in all the other topics, possible topics, right? We do not want you to really learn and look for different topics. We have to work smartly. We have to use the same content in as many topics as possible. 4th, towards the end of this video, I'll be providing you with a range of words and some idioms that you can use if you wish to. So let's begin with the topic. Today's topic is a small business that you would like to open. Now, in this sentence, we are going to focus on 2 things. There are certain words. Number 1 is a small business. 2, you want to open, right? So remember, whatever you choose, you are not going to speak about something which is already huge, or it is supposed to take a lot of area, or it is going to employ a lot of people. It has to be a small business. What could be the possible options? कोचिंग सेंटर, जिम, कैफ़े. अब कैसे डिसाइड करोगे कि आपने कौन सा टॉपिक बोलना है? आपको ये देखना है कि कौन सा टॉपिक है जो आप और जो कंटेंट है वो किसी और क्वेश्चन के लिए, किसी और टॉपिक के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. मैं चूज़ करूँगी कैफ़े. रीज़न बीइंग बिकॉज आई कैन यूज़ द सेम कंटेंट फॉर दीज क्वेश्चंस, right? So it is this simple, nothing fancy. So you are good to go when you are actually preparing one cue card and you can use it for different topics. Now that we have decided cafe, we are going to pick 2 things. 1, tense. Because my statement says would like to open, that means I want to speak or I have to speak in future. Fair enough? अब जब हमने टेंस डिसाइड कर लिया है, इसके बाद वी हैव टू सी कि हम कैसे अपना कंटेंट जो है वो प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. नाउ वन वे इज़ यू टेक आउट अ रिटन पैराग्राफ, यू लर्न इट और फिर आप उसको बोलो, लेकिन वो क्रैमिंग है. और बहुत बार आपके साथ ऐसा होगा कि कितने टॉपिक्स ऐसे होंगे जो पढ़ लोगे. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू रीड ऑल द टॉपिक्स पॉसिबल, राइट? सो द बेटर वे इज़ दैट यू लर्न द ट्रिक टू मेक योर क्यू कार्ड योर सेल्फ. This is what we are going to do right now. We are going to use 5 W's and 1 H. Fair enough? I repeat. 1, we have decided tenses, that is future tense. Now we are going to choose to answer 5 W's and 1 H. 5 W's and 1 H are what? Where you will be explaining description. Now कैफ़े है और उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है. तो जब आप एक बिल्डिंग को, एक प्लेस को डिस्क्राइब करते हो तो यू विल बी डिस्क्राइबिंग एक्सटीरियर एंड इंटीरियर, राइट? सो व्हेन वी से एक्सटीरियर, एक्सटीरियर मीन्स बाहर से वो कैसा दिखता है. पेंट, कौन सा फ्लोर है, कौन सा एरिया है, उसके बाहर कुछ एक्सटर्नल मे बी बैल्कनी एडेड है, ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे है तो मे बी पॉर्च होगा या पार्किंग होगी, समथिंग द एक्सटीरियर साइड, राइट? Coming to interior, interior you will be talking about the color, decoration, seating, services provided, food offered, right? This is what. Then coming to where. When we say where means location. Location can be the nearby market, some mall, ठीक है, और your hometown में कहीं कोई street market popular है, उस पे हो सकता है. This is where. After where we can move to why. Why is reason. When I say reason you're supposed to give about like why do you want to this particular business? Why only cafe? So possible reasons could be profitable है, आप बहुत long time से आप इसका dream कर रहे हो, you have taste for coffee, you have taste for some snacks, you want to have more creative ideas and do something, have your own freedom. Right? So there can be number of reasons. After why, we'll move to when. When means time. तो अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हो, जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कब हमने खोलना है, तो we can talk about future and maybe it is after a year, in 2 years, in 3 years, like that. After your when, we'll move to how. In how, we'll explain. Because it is about future, we have not done it yet, so we will be talking about planning. सो व्हेन आई से प्लानिंग, ऑफ कोर्स एक फूड जॉइंट खोलना है, एक कैफ़े खोलना है आपने, तो आप उसमें क्या बोल सकते हो? यू नीड सर्टन लाइसेंस, यू विल टॉक अबाउट फाइनेंसेस, यू विल टॉक अबाउट रेंटिंग आउट द प्लेस, ठीक है। हाउ के बाद हम आ जाते हैं हु पे, हु इज़ पीपल। सो इन पीपल यू कैन टेक आइडियाज़ लाइक किसने सजेस्ट किया, किसकी हेल्प ले रहे हो, पार्टनरशिप में ओपन करोगे या नहीं, या खुद ओपन करोगे, इज देयर समबडी हु इज गाइडिंग यू, आर यू इन टॉकिंग टर्म लाइक इन डिस्कशन विद somebody about the same thing? Here is a sample answer for you. I hope this this video is helpful for you. Try and do it yourself. See if you can use 5 W's and 1 H. आप read करिए, there is no problem in reading. It's always useful to prepare beforehand. But just remember not to cram. Once you cram, you will always be under pressure to remember things, and you'll always have a doubt, what if this particular cue card doesn't come in your examination? So it's fine to read, but remember to develop this habit of creating your own content. More you practice, you'll get hang on it. That's all for this topic. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query, please leave it in the comment section below.